Hi, I'm doing this little demo for Sandra O'Keefe. She wanted to know how to sand a piece of paper off when you put it on some MDF. I'm just using a really thick piece of Greyboard just for this sheet of paper, some tacky PVA glue and a sanding block. So what I do is I put lots of glue on, if you can get it out. Really thick is this glue. Oh, bear with. Okay. So, got lots of glue on. Just, you can either use a spatula to spread it around. You can use the glue nozzle if you like. I just get in with my fingers. I think it gives you a little bit more control. You can get right to the edges. And just make sure it's all spread right to the edges, otherwise your paper will peel up a little bit, which we don't want. Okay, so we've glued that. So obviously the piece of paper is bigger. Which way shall we have this? We'll have this one on this side down. So just place on and make sure you press down around the edges, because you don't want that bit lifting up. Okay, then what I do is get a pair of scissors and just roughly chop away the little bits around the edge. Right, and then you come in with your sanding block and you see that, just pull it down around the edges. I did this yesterday with a heart shape, and you just do it exactly the same, whether it's a heart, whether it's circle, square. I don't have much strength in my arms. I'm having a lot of trouble with my arms at the moment, so you can see it's a really easy to do. This is a thick Greyboard, and this is quite a heavyweight paper. It's probably around about 180 grams. So it's yeah, quite, and then you just keep going around. Probably do with a new piece of sandpaper on this, but it is working. There we go. Pull it away, and if you want to go in and do some distressing, then you go across the top of the paper. See my arms, I'm dropping things all the time, and then just edge around there. See, I haven't there, I've just taken the sanding block around the outside just to remove the paper. On that side, after I've taken it off, I've just gone around and distressed it a little bit. You can have it neat and tidy, or you can have the distressed look. It is totally up to you what your project calls for. You could use a metal file, which one of these type of things. This is only a tiny one, but yeah, that will do exactly the same. If you don't have any of those, if you've got an emery board lying around, that does exactly the same. Just takes a little bit longer, which is why I prefer the sanding block with the sandpaper on. It's just a coordinations one, this one. You can pick them up in all craft shops. You could pick one up in probably B&Q, other hardware shops, with a little bit of Velcro on, and put your sandpaper on, and there you go. It just makes the job a little bit quicker. But if you've got an awkward shape, then that's when the small sanding tools come in. I've actually It was a sample, so it's gone in the post, so I can't show you, but what I actually did yesterday was one of these. So obviously I went around the edges and then I had to go in the inside. So what I did for going in the inside is you paste the paper, got a little pair of scissors in and roughly cut around, and then you go in with the smaller one and that takes the inside off for you. So it's just the same but in reverse. So there you have it. I hope that helps. Bye.